Indian Army is to complete Apache fleet induction at Jodhpur this month. The Indian Army is set to receive the final batch of 3 Apache AH-64E attack helicopters in December, completing its 6th helicopter order from the US. Apaches were contracted in February 2020, with the first 3 already delivered earlier this year. All 6 advanced attack helicopters will be stationed at Jodhpur, strengthening the Army's strike capability along the Pakistan border. I'm going to go straight across to Shivani for more details on that story. India is all set to sign the details of this deal. All 6 advanced, I understand, attack helicopters are going to be stationed at Jodhpur, strengthening the Army's strike capability along the Pakistan border. What are the other details that you have with you at this point in time, Shivani?
Sneha, see, the Indian Army had signed this contract with the United States in 2020 and they were awaiting these helicopters. There was a delay of 15 months while the first batch of 3 helicopters had arrived in the month of July and they are stationed at Jodhpur. The second and the final batch of 3 more Apache attack helicopters are now they will be here this month. So that's a good news because all 6 of these Apache attack helicopters will be with the Indian Army and they'll be stationed at the India-Pakistan border where the focus has been more, especially after Operation Sindoor. The Army, Air Force, all the forces are on a high alert constantly, as we've been saying that Operation Sindoor is on. So now when these 3 new attack helicopters with the lethal missile systems will be stationed there, the capabilities of India's strike and especially the aviation core of the Indian Army will enhance many folds.
We'll leave it at that for the moment. Getting in those details is my colleague